Hey everybody, welcome to Music Money Makeover's Spotify Weekly Royalty Report for the US only. This is something I was doing back on Instagram roughly 2 years ago, I guess, or 18 months ago. I forget, it's been a blur since I've been building this channel. But I had to stop because of different laws changing, different hierarchies changing, and I just wanted to make sure my reporting was right on the average, which I'm going to do. So real quick, let's just go ahead and hop into it. I'm going to explain where I pull this stuff from. So these are the top 5 songs pulled from Spotify's weekly US charts. All right. And let's give a quick disclaimer. All figures are averages based on split percentages and the respective royalty pools that are divided. Our reports are designed to give you a ballpark figure of royalty earnings due to the respective distributor accounts, the label accounts, the MLC, and the PROs listed in each report. All royalties, artist performance, and mechanical are not broken down for privacy and respect for all companies and creators involved with the songs listed in this video. In addition, mechanical collection societies do not apply to every record label, as they may collect their own mechanical royalties directly. The figures calculated and depicted in this video are for the United States only. Okay, now with that being said, let's hop into the report. All right, so the #1 song on the US chart, all right, for the week ending in April 15th is Polo G, Rapstar. Now, of course, he has 2,161,984 streams, totaling $17,512.07 for the week. Okay, now the label share, which includes the artist royalty, and that will be what the artist will be recouping, the recordable funds and all the extra budgets and all that stuff will come out of the label share, all right, of the artist royalty portion. Okay, that total $8,178.13. And then, of course, over at the distro and Spotify's cut, I packed in the distributor's percentage into the possible Spotify cut here, because unless you know how to read those Spotify financial sheets, you got to average this stuff in. All right. $5,831.51. All right. And now you have the publishing royalties up top, respectable, being paid out to ASCAP, BMI, and CSAC, whoever was involved with this song is affiliated with. And then the mechanical licensing collective, if the label is using the MLC as the pass-through and the collection agent for the US territory, $1,751.20 respectively to both. And just to be clear, I kind of just use Harry Fox's original calculation. These are ballpark figures, so you can get the gist of what's happening here. All right. So Lil Nas X, MONTERO. I don't know who's jamming Lil Nas X, but if you are, look, hey, more power to you. Anyway, look, streams 1,949,264 streams totaling. All right. The total figure was $15,789.03 for the week. The label share, as I said, the artist royalty comes out of that. All right. And all the recoupable advances and all that stuff comes out of that. $8,930.64. Distro and Spotify's cut $5,275.74. And then the publishing royalties, respectively, split evenly, are $1,578.90 across the board there. All right, let's keep going. Justin Bieber, Peaches, featuring Daniel Caesar and Giveon. Streams 1,423,612, totaling $11,531.25. Label share, all right, inclusive of the artist royalty, $5,385.09. Distro and Spotify's cut $3,839.90. All right, the publishing royalties were $1,153.12. All right, these will be splitting equally. Now, I want to let you all understand, whenever you press play on Spotify, all of these splits happen simultaneously. Okay, this is all the money that is passing out of Spotify back into these different accounts. And as soon as you click play, all 3 of these royalties are generated. All right, out at the same time. So let's keep going. Olivia Rodrigo, Deja Vu, streams 1,406,825 streams, totaling $11,395.28 for the week. The label share is $5,321.59. The distro on Spotify's cut is $3,794. $1,139.62. Publishing royalties would be $1,139.52, and respectively at the MLC, $1,139.52. All right, Doja Cat, this is number 5, Kiss Me More featuring SZA. 1,290,666 streams. All right, totaling 10 million. I mean, overshooting that one, $10,445.39. The label share, inclusive of the artist royalty impact into that label share, $4,882.20 for the week. All right, and distro and Spotify's cut will be $3,481.31, and then the publishing royalties for this song will be $1,045.43 to the PROs and $1,045.43 to the Mechanical Collection Agency. All right, now download ebooks and free checklist below. All right, you can do all of that below or go to musicmoneymakeover.com/shop. All right, and you can book a Zoom call with me. All right, 30-minute sessions and 1-hour sessions are available. Okay, don't hesitate to do that. All right, and lastly, please subscribe to the channel. You can text me 470-291-5767, 470-291-5767. I'll see you all next week. musicmoneymakeover.com. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Peace.